my dear children of class 3rd C. We have finished our first term, the exams also, so now we will start with our second term. Now this is lesson 6, The Girl Who Hated Books by Manjusha Pavagli. Now this lesson is coming in your periodic second periodic literature lesson is lesson 6, The Girl Who Hated Books. Now this is about the story of a girl named Meena who hated books. She didn't like to read books. She was not interested in reading books. I think most of the children, they don't like reading books, but few children, they really like reading books. So she was one of those children who hated books, who didn't want to read the books. So this is the story which tells how she got interested in reading the books and then how she started reading the books. Once there was a girl named Meena. If you looked up her name in a book, you would find that it means fish in ancient Sanskrit. In ancient Sanskrit, the Sanskrit is a language. In that language, this word Meena, it meant fish. Okay, it meant fish. It means fish. Mean, आपने mean word बहुत सुना होगा. Mean is actually fish. It means fish. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Fish. So, but Meena, she didn't know about that. Why did she didn't know about that? Because she never read any book. उसने कभी books पढ़ी ही नहीं थी. उसने कभी कोई books ही खोली नहीं थी. So she never knew that Meena, her name means a fish. But Meena did not know that because she never looked up anything anywhere. She never looked up anything anywhere means she never read any book, she never opened any book, whether it is any story book, any fairy tales book or science book, any other general knowledge book. She never read because she was not at all interested in books. She hated to read and she hated books. So she hated to read and she hated books. They're always in the way, she said. They're always in the way. She said this, underline this, they're always in the way. This means that she always used to आप जैसे कहते हो ना उसको टाल मटोल करना. She always used to dodging things related to books, related to reading. She always used to dodge it means टाल मटोल करना, उसको बार बार ignore करना. So she said that they're always in the way. Who are always on the way? Books. She said that always on the way, she said. And this was true because in her house books were everywhere. And this was true that in her house books were everywhere means there were so many books. उसके घर पे इतनी सारी books थी, but she never read it because she was not at all interested. So there were so many books wherever the books were supposed to be kept. जहाँ पे books को actually होना चाहिए वो नहीं होती थी, वो अपने usual place से कहीं और होती थी. Understood? So this was true because in her house books were everywhere, not just on bookshelves and bedside tables where books usually are, means not just on the bookshelves and the bedside tables जहाँ पे usually books होती हैं, normally books जहाँ पे होती हैं, but in all sorts of place where books usually aren't. But in all sorts of place where books should not be there, there were the books. This means that her house was overloaded with books. मतलब उसका घर था, उसमें इतनी books थी, इतनी सारी books थी, but she hated to read it. She never read it. Understood? So next page here, now we see there were books in drawers. Okay, drawers which you have seen in the dressing tables में नीचे drawers होते हैं. Drawers and desks, in cupboards and chests. Wherever these cupboards are meant for clothes, chests are not meant for books, but they are meant for clothes or any other things which you want to keep it. There were books on the sofa and the books on the stairs. Even on the sofa where you sit, there were books there also, and on the stairs also books stuffed here. Stuffed means इतनी सारी बुक्स थी, उनको स्टफ करके रखा गया था. कहाँ? वेयर? इन द फायर प्लेस वेयर द फायरवुड मीन्स जो लकड़ी, जो वुड है जिसको हम आग जलाते हैं ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ विंटर्स. Isn't it? During the time of winters, we कभी कभी up in the village, not in town or cities, but in the village, what people used to do, they during the winters they will आग जलाएंगे, वो लकड़ी जमा करके वो उसको आग जलाएंगे. So even in some cities also, in some houses there are fireplaces, वहाँ पे सब आग जलाई जाती है. So that in that fireplaces the books were stuffed there. So many books were there. They were stuck and stacked on the chairs. Stacked here, keeping pile after pile. Okay, what is the meaning of stacked here? Arrange one on top of the other. Arrange one on top of the other. Like this, I have kept the book. One book I have kept, then another book. This one thick book I'll keep, then another book I will keep. This is stacked. Okay, I'm putting the books in a stacked manner. So they were stacked on the chairs. Those chairs were there. The books were stacked. So this means that she had so many books. But she never read it. She hated reading, so she hated books also. Now worse still. What is worse still? इससे भी बदतर क्या था, इससे भी बुरी हालत और क्या थी? Worse means बुरे से भी बुरा. Okay, worse means bad. Okay, we do this like that. Worse, bad, worse. Okay, bad सबसे बुरी बात. उससे भी बुरी बात क्या थी? Worse still. What was that? Her parents were always bringing books home. इससे भी बुरी और बात क्या थी? Already we had books. See here, already she had books. She already had so many books, but still her parents were bringing books. Still her parents were bringing so many books her parents were bringing. So they kept buying books and borrowing books and ordering books from catalogs. They kept buying, खरीदते रहते थे books. They kept on borrowing books. They kept on borrowing books from another, means किसी friend से वो books borrow करते रहते थे to read, and ordering books and ordering books from the catalogs. What is a catalog? Catalog is a list of things. For example, if you go in the library, you have not got the chance to go in the library, but in school library when you will go, you will see the catalog. Through that catalog you will come to know that okay, these books are kept in these shelves, these books are kept in another shelves. So what is a catalog? What is the meaning of catalogs? Books with lists of all the things that you can buy. There is a book, their list of books were there. They used to buy from there. They used to pick up the book from there and they used to buy from there. Then they read at breakfast and lunch and dinner. Means the parents, Nina's parents, were so fond of reading, they always kept on reading. चाहे वो breakfast हो, lunch or dinner, every time they were reading. But when they asked Meena if she wanted to read book, she would stamp her feet and shout, I hate books. Now she used to shout, I hate books, I don't want to read. She used to get angry. She will stamp her feet on the ground and she will shout, I hate books. And when they tried to read out loud to her, she would put her hands over her ears and shout even louder, I hate books. Okay, when क्या करते थे, जब वो ज़बरदस्ती उसको पढ़ा करके सुनाते थे, they used to read out to her, she would keep her hands over her ears and she will shout even louder, I hate books, and she'll keep on shouting like this. See the scene. They are reading, trying to read it, but she's putting her hands over the ears and she's shouting, she's stamping the feet on the ground, I hate books. Just like a very you can say the troubled child. She's shouting, she's saying that I hate books, I don't want to read it. There was probably only one person in the world who hated books more than Meena, and that was her cat. So there was one more being, one more organism who hated books. That was her cat. His name was Max. So he also hated books. A long time ago, when he was just a kitten, now this is the story of the Max. Okay, a long time ago, when he was just a kitten, when he was small, when he was kitten, and Atlas had fallen on his tail, and Atlas has fallen on his tail. It had bent the tip, and from then on he tried to stay on top of the books rather than below them. So now this is very funny story of a cat कि उसके पास में क्या हुआ था, why he hated books. That when he was just a kitten, when he was small, so a book, an Atlas, fell on the tail of this cat, and what happened, the tail, it bent, मतलब वो मुड़ गया, तो वो टिप से मुड़ गया, from the tip it was bent. So he tried to means stay away, so he used to sit on the top. वो सोचता था कि मैं इसके ऊपर ही बैठूंगा, मेरे ऊपर से कोई और बुक नहीं गिरेगी. So he never used to sit below them, he used to always sit on the top of the stack.